Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today we are going to take a look on how to cancel your Walmart Plus subscription. Now if you already started your 30-day free trial, you can cancel the free trial. But if you have your own subscription, then you can basically go and log in into your Walmart Plus. And then as you can see, you'll have to go to the Walmart Plus from your account. This is from the drop down menu. From there, you can go and click on Manage Memberships right here. And as you can see here, you have a couple of options. Right here, just click Cancel Walmart Plus. Now, as you can see, obviously, once that is done, you will be able to cancel Walmart Plus. Now, you can also do this on mobile. Now, sign in into your mobile, and you can also sign in into your subscription on the app, right? Make sure to sign in there. And then, as you can see, you can tap Pickup and Delivery on the home screen. Click the menu icon, which is the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and then choose Walmart Plus under the pickups and deliveries on the window that pops up. Your account information will appear and you can tap Cancel Walmart Plus Trial or Account at the bottom of the page. Now, you can also do this by phone. All you have to do is go and call them by the phone or contact them anytime through their support system. That's basically how you can cancel Walmart Plus. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.